Good morning, respected Dr. Dipali ma'am and my classmates. My name is Shivangi Singh from BSc 5th SEM, and today's topic of my presentation is Class 1 MHC molecule. Firstly, I want to tell you about MHC molecule. MHC, which stands for Major Histocompatibility Complex, is membrane attached protein which work on recognition of antigen between self and non-self body and antigen presentation. Major histocompatibility complex encodes protein which are expressed on cell surface. These protein molecules are known as major histocompatibility antigens or major histocompatibility molecules. We also studied that in human there are three classes of these major histocompatibility molecules, namely class 1, class 2 and class 3. The molecules which are expressed on the cell surface belongs to class 1 and class 2. Now, what is class 1 MHC molecule? MHC class 1 molecule are one of two primary classes of major histocompatibility complex molecules and are found on the cell surface of all nucleated cells in the bodies of vertebrates. Let's study structure of class 1 MHC molecule. MHC class 1 molecule are expressed on all nucleated cell. In other words, they are found on the cytoplasmic membrane of all cell except red blood cells. Class 1 molecules consist of two polypeptide chains. First, alpha chain and second, microglobulin. Alpha chain is encoded in major histocompatibility complex that is on chromosome 6 in human. It has a molecular weight of 45 kilodaltons. This alpha chain is folded into three internal domains which are termed as alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. Each of these are approximately 90 amino acid long. Alpha chain. Alpha chain is inserted into the cell membrane by a transmembrane domain of about 25 hydrophobic amino acid followed by a short stretch of hydrophilic amino acid which forms the cytoplasmic tail. Alpha 3 domain is attached to the plasma membrane by transmembrane domain. This alpha 3 domain is invariant and contain blind site for T cells co-receptors CD8. Alpha chain, which consists alpha 1 and alpha 2 domains, form the antigen binding pocket, large enough to bind a peptide of 8 to 10 amino acids. Beta 2 microglobulin. First, molecular weight of 12 kilodalton enclosed by a single gene of chromosome 15. Second, bound non-covalently to alpha chain. Third, essential for proper folding of alpha chain. Now, roles and importance. They are present in intracellular or endogenous antigens on cell surface. These foreign peptide presented by MHC class 1, it is the job of T cell to recognize self and self peptide. Functions of class 1 MHC molecule. It encodes heterodimeric peptide binding proteins as well as antigen processing molecules such as TAP and TAPSIN. That's all from my side. Thank you.